of us don't think about what happens when we flush the toilet. Where does it go? It's a dirty question, but someone has to answer it. So I'm about to discover what happens. After I flushed, my waste goes through a series of pipes, pumping stations, before ending up here at the sewage treatment works. Here, the wastewater scans for big objects, and usually it's stuff that shouldn't be there anyway. Things like sanitary products, wet wipes, cotton buds, condoms, and even underwear. And it can cause so many problems. We don't think about it when we flush, but when you see it firsthand, it really is crazy just how much comes through here. I've been around the treatment works, and this is where all the influshables end up. But what happens if it doesn't get caught here? If items like wet wipes, period products and cotton buds aren't caught in the treatment process, then they can end up in our waterways, in our seas and on beaches, which can affect wildlife. It's small, easy changes to your lifestyle that will make the biggest difference. It could be used in a cloth instead of wet wipe, reusable period products. By making these small, simple changes, we can do our bit to prevent homes and neighbourhoods from being flooded. Join the thousands of people that are joining in to help protect beautiful environments like this.